Welcome to this sacred moment of return. Today's affirmation invites us into the holy sanctuary within. I breathe into the sacred space within my heart. This simple yet profound practice transforms every breath into a spiritual homecoming. Your heart is far more than a physical organ pumping blood through your body. It's a sacred chamber, a holy temple that houses your deepest wisdom, your purest love, and your most authentic self. When you breathe consciously into this space, you're making a pilgrimage inward, returning to the sanctuary that has always existed within you. Each breath becomes an act of reverence, a gentle acknowledgement of the sacred space that no external circumstance can touch or diminish. This isn't about forcing or controlling your breath, but about breathing with intention and love into the very center of your being. Let this become your practice of sacred return throughout the day. In morning stillness, place your hand over your heart and breathe slowly into this sacred space, feeling it expand with divine presence. When afternoon stress arises, pause and direct your breath into your heart center, allowing this sacred chamber to become your refuge from the world's demands. As evening approaches, return once more to this heart-centered breathing, honoring the sanctuary that has held you with such tenderness throughout the day. 2 companion affirmations to breathe into your heart. My heart is a sanctuary of infinite peace and wisdom, and I honor the sacred temple that lives within my chest. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration, choosing to breathe into the sacred space within your heart. Win the morning, win the day,